I really thought 2015 was a successful year for the NAIC and for all the commissioners. In fact, at the federal level, we had a number of very important issues that we were able to get passed through Congress. The Policyholder Protection Act, the PACE Act, we got an extension for TRIA.
The other big win for states was passage of our Model Holding Company Act. It's the flagship of our group supervision. Started with a Model Act in 2010, in less than 5 years, full implementation.
And of course, we continued our implementation issues with the Affordable Care Act. We are doing what's right to protect our health insurance marketplaces back home and also protecting our consumers.
Market conduct examiners, financial examiners, consumer representatives. Those are the heroes of state-based insurance regulation.
Who work tirelessly to ensure that our markets are fair and open and transparent.
Some places they're talking about this is a 1 in 1,000 year flood.
More than 100 fires are burning uncontained across the West. The governor of Washington calls it an unprecedented cataclysm.
Perhaps one of our most important roles as insurance regulators is to be able to organize and hit the ground running when there's a natural disaster. You could see the rebirth of a city hit by a natural disaster on how the insurance operations are working.
At this time last year, state insurance commissioners were becoming aware or made aware of a major cyber breach. But I think it's also important to realize that even prior to that event, the organization had created the brand new cybersecurity task force.
What NAIC and state-based regulators do so well is the collection and the analysis of data, because data is what tells you where the issues are and tells you where you can do better.
The technology continues to evolve, not only for the good guys, but also for the bad guys. We have to constantly be there on the cutting edge.
Insurance companies are not just here in the United States. They're global, they're international.
It's very important that we work with our international colleagues, particularly for firms that write business not only in the U.S. but in Asia and Europe. And we want to make sure that our U.S. system is well represented in those discussions.
I was really proud to be a part of a radio blitz across the nation to talk about the importance of insurance to small business owners. We also did some great outreach with some celebrities. We had Kimberly and RJ, who really spoke to the sandwich generation issues and also to millennials about the importance of insurance.
We take a lot of pride as NAIC staff in providing high quality support to our members. That's a very important role that they play in support of the economy in this country.
One of the biggest pleasures of serving as an insurance commissioner is the fact that every single day you are really able to help your neighbors.
And it's so fulfilling to see people when they have gone through the planning stages and then they know that insurance is there to protect them.
That's what makes being in this job the best job in the world.